Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put border down in Word. We start by opening the Word document and selecting the text. After that, we go to the Start menu. Here we go to the Borders icon and display its options to enter the borders and shading option. After that, in this window we select the box value. Here we will choose the line style and also select a color and width for our line. In the preview part, we are going to leave only the lower area marked so that the line is not shown on other edges. Finally, we apply the changes with OK, and we will see the personalized line below. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.